Which round? Thank you.
Just go ahead down the yellow hallway.
Excellent. And who are my pilots in the crew? All right, side by side for me, my friends. Who are my gunners in the crew? Just the two of you? Okay, we're trying. Not a problem.
How's everybody doing?
Wonderful.
You have some blue buttons and red buttons. Those will be your brakes and your boost during the mission. They'll flash for about 2 seconds. Just push those buttons when needed.
Cool.
You're going to be flying up and down. Up and down is inverted, so up is down, down is up. Hyperdrive will flash green, pull back on the handle. All right, go ahead and head on in. Ignore the door on the right, all the way down the hall. Have fun.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. Get closer. A brand new flight crew. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. Now get
For
the
your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Somebody said he backs your backpack, catch your bin. Once you see it, you gotta get that seatbelt on. Once you got that seatbelt on, go ahead and turn that yellow tab on it so I can verify that you are safe and secure. I do mean physically, not emotionally. You gotta pay your more if you want that kind of credit. Oops, sorry. Alright, no, you're good, take your time. Alright, you were good to go, my friend.
Better now. Time is money.
Alright, boss.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and run with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. You're getting warmed up. Gunners, take out those scouts. Good work, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer, watch the home beacons. Good work. We can follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer, pick our destination. Fast. Coruscant, let's head out. We'll rendezvous on the other side. Watch out for those power couplings. They'll disable the ship. Nice catch, kid. Oh no, enemy ships incoming. Prepare the ship while I grab this Imperial officer. Backup is here. New Republic X-Wings.
Clear a path.
Copy that, leader.
I'll cover you. Take the boosters. Right, pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Solo strike.
Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Cargo crates unloading. Oh, well done, crew.
You've got some good smugglers here, Hondo.
Yes, Hondo only hires the best.
Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
One heads up for y'all. There's